I created this social media image in just a couple of minutes with no real design experience. I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this using free tools, including ChatGPT and Canva, to easily create highly polished, professional looking images like this for your own business or for your clients' businesses. So what we're going to do to start is pick a random realtor in Philadelphia as an example. We get a lot of realtors asking us to make videos about their industry, so that's why we're going to focus on this. If you are trying to market a different kind of business, let me know what it is in the comments below so that we know to make videos about your industry. Okay, so I'm going to pick this guy, George Main's G2 Philly. I feel like a business with the name G2 Philly will have a cool logo, so let's click on their website and find out. Okay, I like this G2 Philly logo. It has the Liberty Bell in there. I think we can do good work with it. I'm actually going to take a screenshot of it. Okay, so we have their logo, which includes their branding information now. So what I'm going to do is head over to ChatGPT, and I'm going to tell it that I am a realtor in Philadelphia. We want to tell it exactly what kind of business we're trying to market. And I'm going to say, please make me a couple social media posts that I can use on Facebook, but this will work for any business type and on any social media platform. So if you're working on Instagram or LinkedIn, you could use this also. All right, next thing I'm going to do is ask it to give me a tagline and a call to action for this image because we're going to layer on top of it text. Next, we're going to tell it, do not include text in the image because AI just isn't great at doing that yet. It still gives a lot of junk and typos and just really nonsense. So we're going to add the text over it ourselves, but we want it to give us some inspiration of what we should put. The next thing we're going to do is give it some guidance around what kind of images we want. So we're going to say, pretend you're a professional photographer in the real estate industry. That way it knows to make them look professionally done and also like photographs instead of like illustrations. All right, let's let it run. So we can see here that ChatGPT, using the DALL-E 3 model, was able to create us these very nice looking images that a realtor in Philadelphia might want to use. And I really like this one because it has a nice image of the skyline and just a really luxury looking apartment with a beautiful view of the city. So what I'm going to do is download this, and it's suggesting the tagline, experience Philly's historic charm, with a call to action to book a visit today. So let's jump over now to Canva and see what we can do with this. First thing I need to do is add the image, and it's not in the perfect dimension, so I'm just going to make it larger and then drag it to be exactly how I want it to look. I think this is a really nice framing of it, so let's leave it here. The next thing that we need to do is add their logo. So I'm going to go and add their logo. And you can see here that it has white background because I just took a screenshot. So if you have a PNG, upload that. But Canva can actually remove this. So I'm going to say edit photo, BG remover, and you can see it remove the white from the Liberty Bell. But that's okay because what we're actually going to do is add a rectangle element behind it because now we want to add the branding. So I'm going to move this rectangle up here. I'm going to turn it white, and then I'm going to push it behind the logo. So now we can see the logo looks awesome. And now we need to add the text because we want both a tagline and a call to action. So what I'm going to do is head over to the text, and I want something that's going to look similar to their font so that it looks good. So I'm going to put in a heading, and ChatGPT suggested that we say experience the charm of Philly. So I'm going to go ahead and say experience the charm of Philly. I'm going to make this look bold now. And I also wanted to match their branding. So I'm going to set the color of this to the same one as the logo. And to get that logo color, you'll just click this button and grab the color from their logo. All right, so now what we need to do is add the call to action. So I'm going to go over here and add a button, and I'm going to choose this one. Now I'm going to change these colors to match the branding of this business. And now we're going to add some text. So they use this maroon and white color scheme. So what I'm going to do is change the color of this text to white, and we're going to make it a lot smaller. And you can see now within just a couple of minutes, we were able to create a beautiful, customized to their brand social media post that they're ready to upload to whatever social media channels they want. What do you think? Is G2 Philly going to like this image? If you think they will, then comment in the section below. And if you found this video to be helpful, please subscribe so that you can see all of our weekly marketing videos that we put out, and like this video so that you get more of them. It really means a lot to us. Thank you so much.